Hello, IMVU creators. I'm back with a new bunch of softwares for you. Today I'm gonna talk about two softwares actually. The first software is the IMVUKSA product extractor. Probably most of you knows about it. First of all, you need to go to download to the download page imvuksa.com. The first one, this one, IMVU product extractor, to extract everything, all assets. You download here the demo version. Then actually it will be a zip file. You unzip it first, then you install it. After that, it will create a shortcut on your desktop like this. Then now mine is registered already. I already registered it. If you want to register it after you pay the license, you go to help, then register. So you register your software to be able to save the files. Now let's start with a product like this one. This is a product in IMVU. You copy the product ID from here or there. You can see it. This is the product ID, and you put it here. Then you press View Derivation Tree. It will give you the whole derivation tree for this product. You can select which product you want to extract. I will select the first one. Then you press Get Assets. It will start downloading the assets, as you can see here. Now those files, actually those textures, those TGA files, actually the software cannot preview them like the PNG and GIF and JPG files, and actually those two are not actually a TGA file. Now I will show you how to know which kind of picture is this, the image. It's not a TGA. Now I will show you how, but let us first save those assets. I will save them. I will click Save. It will create for me on desktop a folder named the PID of the product. If I get inside, I will see the files here. As you can see, this is the back side of the shirt. Now those TGA files, actually they are not actually a TGA. How to know? I made a program named IMVUKSA file recognizer. It will tell you what type of file is this. You just drag the file inside here. It will give you information about it. Here it's saying that it is a PNG file. Actually, this is the other file also. I'll drag it, PNG file. So if I just change the extension to PNG, I will see the preview of this. This is the blue shirt. Also, this one is a PNG file. This is if you want only the textures, to manipulate the textures. This is what you can do. Now, as you can see here, this file is the chicken file. This is the IMVU project file. You can open it using IMVU. You go to Create, then you click on Open a local project, then you select the chicken file. It will open for you the product in IMVU. As you can see here, this is the whole product. This is the blue one. You can extract the red one, for example this product, this one is derived from this one, and you can see the whole information there, the creator name, the price, whatever is it, if it's visible in the shop or not. All information about this product, you can see it. I will click on it, and I will press Get Assets. So I will get the assets of the red one. Now, as you know, when I click Save Chicken plus Assets, it will create for me a folder with the product ID as the name. So I'll go to IMVU. I will click on open local project, and I will select the chicken file. It will open for me the product, so I can change whatever, I can manipulate, change whatever I need. You can extract everything, mesh, skeleton, animations, everything. You can extract everything literally. So this is how Product Extractor works. I will do videos about the rest of the softwares. Now the IMVU Texture Extractor only will extract textures. It will not extract meshes or anything else. Only textures, which means images, pictures only. Now this one, the music maker. This is actually a new. Like I upgraded the old one. Now it can actually, it will create for you a ready-made music file, music product, using any kind of media file like MP4, MP3, whatever. It will make it as a product, so you can import it. I will do a video for this music maker. The IMVU file decryptor, it will decrypt the IMVU files like the mesh or the animation file or the skeleton. It will decrypt it, so you can change the mesh, you can change the animation, you can make avatars from it. Also, I will make actually I already have a video about it, how to do an avatars or poses using this one also. That's it. The chef maker, this is when you finish the product, you can take screenshots immediately to create for you a GIF animated picture for your product. So it will ease up. This one also I will upgrade it later. I will upgrade it now. Just it do the job. Later I will work on it. And keep in touch. If you have any question, just send me an email or talk to me here. You can see if I'm online. You can talk to me, ask me whatever you want, and happy creating.